I have defined what are called media frames. So Spoke has a media frame element. It's this element right here. And what it allows us to do is define areas around the scenes so that when inside of hubs, it's easy to just pop a piece of media into those defined areas. So for example, back here, we've got this big banner back here, but on top of it, notice how I've got this white frame. So when I uncheck that category, when I uncheck that folder, notice how they go away. When I enable them, they come back. And so I had to go around defining all of these areas, okay? And so the next thing I'm going to do is turn off all of the default media. And so the default banners right here, I'm going to go ahead and remove them by unchecking the enable button. And so now you can see that all of the media is disabled. So here's how that looks. If we go inside of T-Shirt King's hubs, right now you see that we've got these banners all over the place and they can't be changed. But let's go ahead and push this update. So now when we come back to the store, you'll notice all of the walls are now bare. And so now that gives the client the freedom to decorate the walls himself. The way it's going to do that is by easily hitting this place button. Now it can be done inside of VR, but it's easiest to do this on a computer because you've got all your files on the computer and it's just, you know, easier to do it. But you just hit this place button and hit upload. Now, if you've got a piece of media that's like hosted on a server somewhere, then you would just put the URL in. Otherwise, you just hit the attach button and grab the image and it will spawn into the room. Then when you grab it, so I'm just clicking on it, left click. When you click on it, all of the areas where it can go will highlight. And so like, for example, I can put it here and notice how it automatically just pops into that area. I can put it here. Notice how it just pops in there. But where I actually want to put this is here. And so here we have it. And so now I put my cursor on the top and press the space bar. Then I can click the pin button. Now this is going to stay there. Same thing is true for all the other spots.